Dear students, today we are starting the last part of the chapter, that is with the theorem of areas of two similar triangles. What is the statement? If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. What? Triangles are similar. Okay. What you have to prove? Ratio of areas of these two similar triangles means area of first triangle upon area of the second triangle is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Ratio of squares of their corresponding sides means area of first triangle upon area of second triangle is equal to square of the first triangle side upon square of second triangle side. That is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. AB square upon PQ square. AB corresponding side is PQ. So square of AB, square of PQ is equal to BC square upon QR square. Second side is corresponding one BC and here it is QR. So square of that upon square of this. Also that is equal to square of this AC upon square of PR. That means AC square upon PR square. This is a statement. What is the statement? Given two triangles are similar, then ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Okay. The proving part. We start with triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR given. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is given. Therefore, what happens? We go for sides first. AB upon PQ equal to second side is BC. Its corresponding side is QR. Also that is equal to third side AC. Here it is PR. AC upon PR. Because triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. And we go for this angle also. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. Triangles are similar means corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are congruent. Here we take only one. Also we find out area of this triangle. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. From the first exercise, ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to what? Ratio of areas of these two triangles. Area means base into height. A BC, AD is perpendicular. So base into height. Upon its base is QR into the height is PS. If not clear, you can tell here. AD is perpendicular to BC. Here AD is perpendicular to BC. Here PS is perpendicular to QR. And here the order is BDC, here QSR. Means perpendiculars are in between the endpoints of the base. This we have. This we write BC upon QR into this AD upon PS. AD upon PS. We make this as first result. Let it be there. Here we have to make this one into is BC upon QR. What you have to make? AD upon PS. Ratio of heights of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides like BC upon QR. This we got. This is first part we said. This is area like Now, in triangle ADB, the small triangle ADB and triangle PSQ, what terminal we can say these two sides are, side AB is proportional to PQ. This angle, first we make these triangles are similar. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. Here given, from this we can take first part. Also angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ. For this, what is reason? Each is a right angle, means 90 degree. This we consider, suppose 1 from 1. This we can consider later, say second. Here in these two triangles, this angle 90 degree, 90 degree each, common angle like congruent angles. So these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ADB similar to triangle PSQ. ADB similar to triangle PSQ. How it is? By AA test. By AA test. If the triangles are similar, what we can talk about their corresponding sides? We can tell AD upon PS equal to AB upon this PQ. Agreed? What is saying here? The triangles are similar. Therefore, their corresponding sides are proportional. AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. This we get. We come back this one from here to area of the triangle here. See AD upon PS. Here we put this AB upon PQ. Therefore, this second result we take area of triangle, this ABC upon area triangle PQR equal to here BC upon QR into this AD upon PS. But AD upon PS is what? AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. We can say this, since AD upon PS equal to this AB upon PQ. Now further we continue here. Therefore, area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR. Now see here we have BC upon QR, but the BC upon QR is also AB upon PQ into AB upon PQ. But from this one, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. It means what? This AB upon PQ you can replace with BC upon QR, or BC upon QR you can replace with AB upon PQ, so that we are getting this one. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, we replace this with BC upon QR with AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ into this AB upon PQ. Give the reason, since BC upon QR equal to this AB upon PQ. Means what? It is AB into AB square upon PQ into PQ square. Now we go for this again. Therefore, AB square upon PQ square equal to AB, instead of that BC, and instead of this we can write this, so BC square upon QR square, also that is equal to AC upon PR, the squares. AC square upon PR square. This is what? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. This is the proof of this statement. What is the statement? Theorem of areas of two similar triangles means ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. If AB is a corresponding side, then corresponding side of second triangle is PQ. So ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Here also the same thing. This is equal to this, or this ratio equal to this, or this ratio equal to this ratio. Okay, that is a theorem. Now we pass on to the problems, the exercise part. Here it is now 1.4. Exercise 1.4. The first question says what? The ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles. Ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles is equal to this. Find the ratio of their corresponding areas. Let the triangles be A1 and A2. We take A1 for the complete first triangle, like triangle ABC, A2 for triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR means five letters are there. Instead of that, we are writing this. So here, A1 upon A2 equal to what? Corresponding sides, S1 square upon S2 square. S1, S2 are corresponding sides. Here given, this is given to be 3:5. 3 square upon 5 square. 3 square is 9. 5 square is 25. That's all. That's the first question. Very easy, very simple. Given ratio of corresponding sides is 3:5. 3:5 means 3 upon 5. Ratio of sides. Ratio of sides 3:5. What is the ratio of areas of their triangle? Areas of these two triangles? Ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Ratio of squares of corresponding sides. 3 square 9, 5 square 25. That's the first question. This much only. Very simple. Now next one. If triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, means what? The triangles are similar. Here what? See, ratio of areas of corresponding sides of two similar triangles. Triangles are similar. Therefore, we use the theorem. Here given similar. So we can use area. Ratio of areas of this is equal to corresponding sides. The question says what? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Ratio their sides are given. Then fill in the blanks. We know area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. AB square upon PQ square. What is the reason? By theorem. Which theorem? Theorem of areas of similar triangles. That theorem we are using. And this is equal to what? 2 square upon 3 square. 2 square is how much? 4. 3 square is 9. That's it. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is 4:9. 4 upon 9 means 4:9. This is question number 2. This is also a very simple question. You can do it easily. Very simple. Now I do question number 4 and question number 1, 2, 4 and 6. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Triangle element similar to triangle PQR. Triangle LMN similar to triangle PQR, and also given 9 times area triangle PQR, 9 into area triangle PQR is equal to 16 times area triangle LMN. This is given. And also if QR is 20, then find Mn. You have to find Mn. This is question number 4. Now we are solving, finding, so solve, so solution. What is the solution? Triangles are similar. We start here. Triangle element similar to triangle PQR. We getting the triangles are similar given. Therefore, what happens? Also ratios given, Therefore, given here 9 into area triangle PQR equal to 16 into area triangle element. That is given. Therefore, we are considering triangle LMN, so we keep these triangles in the numerator. That is area triangle LMN upon this area triangle PQR, because this is in the numerator, so this 9 is in the numerator here upon the 16. Therefore, area triangle element upon area triangle PQR is equal to 9 upon 16, which is 3 square upon 4 square. Also we can keep this is in terms of corresponding side square. we have to find out mn. So here it is mn square upon qr square. Mn square upon qr square is equal to this 3 square upon 4 square. Therefore, we take square roots on both sides. Mn upon qr is equal to 3 by 4. Now we continue here. Therefore, mn upon qr is given, qr is given 20. So mn upon qr value of qr is 20 equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, mn is equal to 3 by 4 into 20. Now we know 1 4. Here how many 4s are there? 5 4s. Now 3 5s are 15. This is mn. Length mn is equal to 15. Question number 4 says what? These two triangles are similar. Also given this way. 9 into area of triangle PQR equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Given QR is 20. To find MN, we have to find out length of MN. These star triangles are similar. This is given. Also given this particular idea, we take full thing we write here. We have to find out MN. So this triangle's idea we keep in the numerator. This triangle area upon this area is equal to this 9 upon that 16. So this I am writing here equal to 9 upon 16, which is 3 square, and this is 4 square. Ratio of areas of two triangles, similar triangles, is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. We have the theorem, so we put that one here. Left hand side we have, in the left hand side we have squares, right hand side also we have squares. So taking square roots, both sides. So mn upon qr equal to 3 by 4. That mn upon qr, value of qr is here 20, that we put here for this qr, equal to this 3 by 4. Then we cross multiply this, then simplify here, multiply and write. This is question number 4. Now we have only the last one, question 6. That is also very simple. The question says that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. Triangles are equilateral. Then if area of triangle ABC is 2, area of triangle DEF is 1:2, and AB is 4, we have to find out DE. This is also very simple. We should go for solution. So solving part. Given what? Triangles are similar. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are what? Equilateral triangles. We know equilateral triangles are equiangular triangles. Means angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree in first triangle. Also angle D equal to angle E equal to angle F, also 60 degree. What is the reason? Angles of equilateral triangles. Therefore what happens? Angle A, otherwise we see like this. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A congruent to angle D, angle B congruent to angle E, angle C congruent to angle F. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Similarity now we are bringing. Here given triangles are equilateral, not similar, equilateral. Then the ratio is given. We made the triangles are similar. Therefore what? Area triangle ABC upon area triangle DEF is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. AB square upon DE square. By theorem, we got, but these ratios are given. See, area triangle ABC is 2. Is 2 means upon. Area triangle DEF is 1:2, 1 upon 2. Area triangle ABC is to this is 1:2. So 1 upon 2 is equal to AB square upon DE square. But we are given what? AB. So this value of AB is known. 4 square upon DE square is equal to 1/2. We cross multiply this DE square into 1 equal to this 4 square into this 2. Now we take square roots. Taking square roots both sides. DE square root of 4 square is 4. Square root of 4 square 4 into square root of 2. It is 4 root 2. So much units. That's a length. This is question number 6. Question number 6 says that the length is 4 root 2 units. Centimeter etc. not given. So therefore we also don't write it. This is question number 6. Other questions are question number 3, 5, 7 are very easy like this. Please do try. If you are getting okay, not getting also, no problem. Tomorrow we do that. You can ask. Then we will work out that also. Today we'll stop with this. Thank you.